I'm making some cake mix. Blueberry muffins, oh my goodness. I got a yellow cake mix here. And pouring it in. Who uses their box as a, what do you call it, as a, as a trash can. That's what I'm trying to say, a trash can. Okay, so what I've got here is a little bit of the cake mix. There, that's about good. Set that amount aside. Should have used my Red Bull so you can see how much it's about. Oh, 1/4 of a cup. And got my eggs right here. I was making mayonnaise cake earlier, so I'm just gonna reuse my thing. Got my oil, as my really good friend Patty in the South always calls it. And then I got my milk. Just going to mix this around. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take my blueberries and I'm just going to toss them in this flour just like that, just so that they don't all just fall to the bottom. And I'm kind of, what do you call it? Sprinkling out or sifting the flour off. Oh, and I forgot my lemon. Shoot. Okay, I don't have any lemon zest, so I'm gonna take my lemon packet. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit, sprinkle the whole thing in my lemon packet. Stir that up, pour that in. Okay, and now I just ruined my whole thing. I totally spaced. Oops. So now it's gonna turn it all purple. Okay, today, the last 2 days, we got back from vacation from Florida. I have not been able to get into the room. Oh, I totally messed up this recipe. Okay, well now we're having striped blueberry muffins. Oh, you gotta love me anyway. Okay. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Got my garage sale. A restaurant was going out of business muffin cups. Okay. Man, I just cannot get, well, I went off the caffeine, that's why, because I have no energy now. 2 weeks with no caffeine does not give one more energy. I can guarantee you that. Okay, so filling my striped blueberry muffins now in the batter. Okay, I'll have to remake this recipe the right way so it looks good. I can't believe I did that. I don't quite have a 1/2 cup of cake mix in there, so I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup more. It's your 1/3 of a cup, I mean, is what it was supposed to be. So what I do is I put a 1/2 cup of cake mix in, do the blueberries, and then I have 1/3 of a cup left. Does that make sense to make my topping? Okay. So here is my flour and my brown sugar. And then I got my butter, which it's a little bit easier if it's melted, but now the way things are going, I'm just going for it because you know what? That's just the way it goes. So I'm just going to mix this in. Use your fingers if you want to. Get that all nice and crumbly. Now we have our muffins. And I'm just going to put a little bit top. With a clean washcloth, I'm just going to get this dusted just to make it a little bit easier. Okay, we're going to throw this in the oven. All right, and if you want to use my mom's sweet muffin recipe, you could use that instead. It's in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1. All right, there they are, fresh out of the oven. Jack will be home in 10 minutes, and he will taste test and let us know if they failed or if they worked. I have a lovely blueberry muffin that I messed up.
Looks pretty lovely.
So we'll see if it oh, maybe it's not as messed up as I thought it was.
Looks nice.
Okay, break it in half first. Let me see what it looks like broken in half.
Here, we'll do the slow-mo breaking it in half. Wow, it's very blueberry-y.
Okay, let's see if it tastes decent. If it doesn't, it's okay because I messed up the recipe.
Mmm. Oh, it's really good. Tastes like strong on vanilla. Did you put a lot of vanilla in it?
Nope. It's a yellow cake, so yeah.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well maybe it wasn't such a failure. I'm telling ya, I don't know how I do it, but I've only had like 4 or 5 absolutely completely failures in my whole life where I just couldn't do anything with it.
That's because you're Wonder Woman, honey.
I am. You'd like to think that, wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm.